y'all, back with another DIY tutorial. I am making a chandelier for my Barbie house. If you previously did not see all the rest of the DIYs that I did on my Barbie house that leads up to this, please go watch. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please stop this video and go subscribe. Alright, so in my previous video, I told you to keep this trim. This trim came off of the sofa that we have done. Well, I'm not sure if you've done it yet, but if you've done it, that I have done. So you will need this. If you do not have, or if you're not making a sofa, you will want to find something that looks like this. This is going to be the frame of our chandelier. So you do need this. You will need crystals. The craft store does have this. I ordered this off of Hobby Lobby for my wedding. For something that I did for my wedding, so I have a lot left over. So you will need crystals. You'll need scissors if you didn't already cut off the top like I just did. You'll need scissors, your glue gun, of course, and a light. I went to my local Hobby Lobby and got this from out of the dollar store. It's a little bright. Let me show y'all that it really does work. See it? So it really does work. There's a little switch that turns it on and off. So this is needed for our chandelier. It comes with a magnet piece. I want you to remove it already. I don't want you to forget. So just sit your magnet aside and your light aside so that you don't get confused. So I'm going to sit that aside. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and spray the top of this so it does not show. I didn't do that, so I'm going to go do that right now. Hey y'all, okay, so I went and spray painted it. I went and spray painted this. Yes, I did. Alright, so I already measured how long I want it. So you will have to do that in your dollhouse. I can't give you my measurements because your dollhouse might not be as tall as mine's, or mine's might be shorter than yours. So it all depends on your own measurements. So what you will do is glue all the way around your chandelier. Take your hot glue gun, make a line, a circle, glue around. You can't do as many because it does dry quickly. You will have to move quickly doing this. How many you add is optional, completely up to you. I'm not adding them as close, but let me try to turn the light down so you can see. I'm not adding them as close, but they are close. And make sure you put enough glue so that it's holding. Oops. I forgot to mention, y'all, you will need a, oh, it's optional. I already have in my dollhouse. I went to the Christmas aisle and got an ornament, so I do have an ornament in the middle of mine. You do not have to use it. It is optional, and I'll show you exactly what it is that I use as soon as we're done. And it dries pretty quickly, so you don't really have to worry about it dry. And there's your chandelier. That's simple. And I didn't want all of mine to be even, but you can if that's what you want. I didn't. So remember that light that I told you we needed? You're going to take your light and it's going to fit directly down there. And there's your chandelier. This magnet piece, this little piece will be glued onto the dollhouse. So you will have the hot glue gun, this little piece onto the ceiling. I'm going to do that. Once you glue this to the ceiling, you then will add your light. So just glue this into the ceiling, sit this aside. Once you glue this in the ceiling, you'll glue this to the ceiling. So this should be in the middle. Don't worry about putting the light in it because you're not going to add the light that way. You're going to add the light this way. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how the outcome looks. Okay, y'all, that is the finishing product. And I did forgot to mention that you will need bling ribbon. I got these from Hobby Lobby, a thinner version. and the thick. To cover the top, give it a little bit more bling, make it look more realistical. Now this is just the Christmas ornament I got out of Hobby Lobby, but of course the dollar store sells that. As you can see, the light is not yet installed. You would have to put a cut behind there, and you would have to open that up and slide your light into there. Now because I don't know if I had caught that. So the little cut that you did, you would have to slide this into there. Now I'm not sure if I can do that on camera because I don't have no one holding the camera for me. So I'm about to insert that and I'll come right back. Y'all, I added it in there. It is a light in there. It's kind of bright, so I'm not sure if you can really see it. But what I went on and did was just punch the hole a little bit bigger instead of sliding it through the little cut, because that kind of made it difficult due to it was already glued. It was glued shut. So I just punched a hole in the middle and kind of just gave it a little shove in there. And you don't need it to connect, see? You don't need it to connect to the magnet. The magnet is just to keep it up there. See, if you can hear it, it's a magnet. It's kind of pulling it. So it's just to keep it steady. But if it's a little circle on there, so that's kind of holding the light up there as well. I previously did one over here without this thick piece, so you can take that off if you want. It's optional. So that's the bedroom one. You see how it comes off and the magnet is up there, and it goes right back up. That's how you create a Barbie chandelier. Again, I got this light from at Hobby Lobby, the crystal bling, Hobby Lobby, the ribbon thingy, Hobby Lobby, and I got these from Amazon, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. Hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this tutorial. And I am finished my dollhouse. I'm completely done. Just have to finish adding the knobs and cut out my stove, add my buttons, but I'm completely done. So tell me what you guys think about my dollhouse. Until next time.